So I assume that you already have good understanding of Angular. So I'm not going to explain each and every part of this application. Rather, we'll be concentrating what we should do and what we should not do to prevent cross-site scripting in Angular application. If you need a very good detailed video, please do comment and I'll be definitely uploading a video on the Angular applications or any aspect, whatever you want, whatever you would like to have. All right. So the very first thing, this is a product list component, and this is being rendered where you do search, right? If you remember in the previous video, user can search and was able to list out the necklaces. So here, this particular part component is going to render. The ng for is the search products, right? And this is uh, looping through, and at the line number 38, if you see, there is an inner HTML tag where I am pushing HTML, right? So there are two particular points where we should concentrate is that in line number 34, I am adding a source of an image and I'm inserting HTML. So this is what where the hackers will look into and will figure out, okay, something is being generated uh, through data and HTML is being rendered by generating the HTML part. So you must trust that HTML. If you are very not sure, don't do this, because what I have done, I've used the Angular sanitizer and bypassed that HTML. So what get trusted HTML does, let's see. So what I'm doing here, I'm using a sanitizer. If I take you to the part, it's a DOM sanitizer, right? And that is part of Angular. You can see in at line number 2. I'm just doing a dependency injection here and using that in below over here. So what it does, it Angular let know that, okay, this particular HTML is trusted. In the same way, we can also trust a script and all. By default, Angular prevents, so don't worry. But in case if you are bypassing that, you must take care, and that what we have already seen in previous video. So this is how I'm generating the HTML part, and if you remember how hackers can run their script, so he will, along with your HTML, he will pass the script and that will be inserted in your DOM, and it will be the moment you perform any event, whether it is click event or maybe uh, if you hover on a particular HTML or something, that malfunctioning script will execute and will steal your information. So be very careful. And in case if you need more detailed video on this, as I mentioned, do comment, do let me know. I will definitely come up with a detailed video on this. Thanks for watching. Please do share this video with your friends and colleagues so that we'll have a good understanding of cross-site scripting. And I believe this is uh, very important thing to know. Thank you. Thanks again.